Today I will talk about how can you disable the sign or know how you can do that on your money manager app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on configuration. You just click here on configuration, you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down here, so then you come here to not button settings, just click on it here, you click here on off, so then here not button settings disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.